Wait, what's that up there? No way, he's chopping down a rotten tree. Oh my gosh, those are baby birds. They look so tiny and helpless. One wrong move and this could end badly. Yes, he got them out safely. Look at them. They're barely bigger than his hand. Oh, look at them eating. They're already looking strong. The feathers are starting to come down. What an incredible transformation. From scared little babies to become healthy and beautiful birds.